Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm back with a new product review. I'm going to be doing a review for Healthy Panda. This is going to be roasted gram chutney powder. I've used Healthy Panda products before and I really enjoyed it. This is 100% natural product. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. I'll list more information about Healthy Panda in the description box below this video, or you can click the product tab which will direct you to the product. Using this product I'll be preparing Podi Masala Dosa. So let's get started. Healthy Panda is all natural product. It contains all natural ingredients and does not contain any preservatives or any artificial flavors in it. I highly recommend this product and it is even safe for kids. Since this is made in India product and it's a local product, I am supporting their brand and their products. So do try Healthy Panda. I'll list all the information in the description box below this video. Now let's get started. Here I'll be showing the chutney powder consistency, how it is. It is coarse and it is very well prepared. From the taste of this chutney powder, you can tell that every ingredient is roasted well and it is ground to perfection. And the shelf life for this product is mentioned in the box itself. You can store it up to 6 or 12 months, they mention it. So according to that, you can store it and use it. What I prefer to do is I freeze these chutney powders so that I have a longer shelf life. To prepare the dosa, I've heated a tawa on medium flame. Once my tawa has heated well, I will start spreading the dosa batter. I've already shown you how to prepare idli and dosa batter in my previous recipes. I'll link the dosa batter recipe in the description box below this video. Or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Once the dosa is spread evenly, I'm going to generously add ghee and oil. We have to fry the dosa. For Podi Dosa we need extra ghee and oil. Once we add the ghee and oil, we'll allow it to cook for some time so that we can spread the ghee evenly. Now I'll allow it to sit for few seconds. Then I've used a spatula and I spread the ghee all over the dosa. We will generously spread or sprinkle even amount of the roasted chutney powder. Once we sprinkle the chutney powder on the dosa, allow it to roast for 2 minutes and your dosa will be done. I've also done a detailed recipe how to prepare potato masala for masala dosas. So in my masala dosa recipe video, you can see the potato masala. I've used the same recipe to prepare the potato masala. Here in Bangalore especially, these podi dosas are really famous and we really enjoy it. Instead of going out and tasting something, you can prepare this at home itself. It turned out exactly like the ones like the street food vendors prepare or you get in the restaurants. Now once I prepare the dosa, I've topped it with the aloo masala and some butter and served it along with some gatti chutney or the coconut chutney. So I really enjoyed it. Do try this recipe friends and do try the product. If you enjoyed watching my video recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching.